Welcome to Talkpoint. Today we are diving into a major story shaking the tech sensor sector in 2025. Widespread layoff announced by some of the biggest names in the industry and ongoing economic uncertainty. What's behind these cards? Let's break it down. Logos of major tech firms like TechCore, ByteLeap, and CloudHive news clips of layoffs. Over the past few months, several leading tech firms have announced significant layoffs. TechCore cut approximately 10,000 jobs globally, citing a need to streamline operations after rapid expansion during the pandemic. ByteLeap, a social media giant, announced plans to reduce its workforce by 8% or nearly 7,000 employees, focusing on restructuring its advertising and AI divisions. CloudHive, a cloud computing leader, revealed a 5% reduction in staff to adjust to softer demand and tightened budget. These layoffs come amid a backdrop of slower revenue growth, inflationary pressures, and cautious investor sentiment. Economic charts showing inflation rate, interest cuts, stock market trends. What's driving these job cuts? Economic uncertainty. Inflation remains elevated, increasing operational costs. Central banks have raised interest rates multiple times, impacting invest and consumer spending. Shift in consumer behavior. As the world moves beyond pandemic-related digital acceleration, demand for certain services has softened, affecting ad revenue and cloud service subscriptions. Investor pressure. Public tech companies face pressure to improve profitability, promoting cost-cutting pressure including layoff. Overexpansion. Many firms hired aggressively in 2020 and 2021, anticipating continued growth that has since slowed. Employees at job fairs, interviews with affected workers, HR statements. These layoffs have a real impact. Thousands of skilled workers are now seeking new opportunities in an increasingly competitive market. Recruitment intake has slowed, with some companies freezing hire entirely. Industry experts warn that the shakeout could lead to a talent surplus in some areas, but also spur innovation as startups capitalize on or available talent. Mental health concerns are rising among affected employees, with some firms offering enhanced support and severance packages. Analysts discussing futuristic tech emerging startup hubs. Looking ahead, many analysts predict continued caution through 2025, with companies focusing on efficiency over expansion. Some sectors like AI, cybersecurity, and green tech remain bright spots, attracting invest and hiring. Startups may benefit as lead of talent seeks new ventures, potentially fueling innovation. The broader economic trajectory, including inflation control and consumer spending, will heavily influence the tech sector's recovery. Tech campuses help full employees networking. That's our update on the latest tech industry layoffs and what they mean for workers and the market. For ongoing coverage and deeper analysis, subscribe to Talkpoint and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.